Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can fine, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. How to create Canva professional design? How to create Canva professional design and earn money in the marketplace, offline, online market job, work from home job. The Canva is a very interesting. This software Canva Festival and the Canva graphic Canva design. I'm first time login the Canva sign up and login. Canva total lot of design provide your website. Canva website is a template. Maybe on to Canva template docs or in videos. Lot of Canva design provide your website. You can any design this Canva design, the virtual Canva design and the t-shirt design, mog and the business card, invite card and lot of design. The logo, practical logo, flyer and virtual video editing. Canva lot of design you provide the free and total the create for the marketplace like on other Canva create and the mention the build and website in most delivery Canva content marketplace each one the opportunity and illustrator and artisans of the design. Canva design. I can create any design. Just a lot of design. Just I can design any design. I YouTube thumbnail design create. Just of design. Canva design in Instagram. Instagram post design, Instagram feed, and Instagram video, Instagram profile. I'm Instagram post design. Canva a lot of size default the Canva. Just submit out of Canva. Canva lot of design provide free and paid. Canva Instagram for design the side of lot of template provide of Canva. Just stylist and Canva. Lot of design here. Canva design lot of your template and your element, your lot of template you design style, lifestyle, and Canva other software users use to Canva app, photos, videos, and Canva IU, Canva photos design. Create any design. Just you can try to have any design and Canva design template. Free and paid lot of template. This is the pro 30 days, 30 days the Christmas. The Christmas support for selling 50% discount. Free gift. You can any design, just your uh, front, lot of bed edit and any design. Just you can side free tie and the lot of Canva design. Canva is a professional design, earn money and online Canva design, lot of design Canva. Canva template. Layout of Canva template. You can just any Canva template, Canva design, choose your professional, and how to earn money in the online and offline marketplace. Your professional any design, just you can try practice the free and online software. Canva lot of template. You can any template select and or editing and others. So, happy birthdays in Canva template. Lot of template Canva provide. For any design, just uses the nicely design. Same thing others templates. So choose a food template. Choose the lot of food template. Happy thanking days in Instagram stories. The Canva template, lot of design, just thinking days, generator and holiday, and Instagram. A lot of bachelor your design. Brown the bachelor design, lot of designer, professional designer, free and paid Canva. You can how to earn money the online platform. Lot of design, the your group project, etc., etc. Okay. Thinking Eval's log of picture. Just you can Canva is an online platform. How to make money, earn money is Canva platform very easy and so thank you.